Grade 1 and 2 students, welcome in your science lesson. As we have already know that we are doing a combined lesson these days. You know that, right? Now, what is the topic, children, that we are already doing throughout this week? Can you name that topic? Can you tell me the name? The topic which we are doing, which we have already started this week. Can you tell the name of that topic? It is land, air, and water. This is actually the main topic, that is land, air, and water. So it's as I have already discussed with you, that it's a very, very vast topic. There are a lot of things that need to be discussed in this topic. It's a huge topic. So slowly, gradually, we are going to cover all the topics which comes in all the subtopics actually which comes in this topic, right? So in land, air, and water, there is a subtopic, there is a small topic that we have done. And can you tell me what's that topic, class? Can you name that topic? Yes, that was about rocks. Remember? Yes, we have done about rocks. Yesterday we learned about rocks, that what are rocks, what types of rocks are there. And you have also watched, yes, you have also watched the Edward video that clearly explains you very beautifully. It explains everything about rocks, right? Okay, beside rocks, what we have done, what we have covered in land, air, and water, natural resources. Very good. This was the first topic actually. We have done natural resources, right? And you have seen how, from where do we get these resources, how these resources are used. You have seen through the presentation and through what? Yes, and through your Edward video, we have seen how beautifully they have explained all our natural resources and why they are needed by everything which is there on the earth, why it is very important for us to have those natural resources. Yes, we have done all these topics in detail. Now today, the other topic that comes over here is about plants. You have studied plants, right? In this session, in the first term, we have studied plants in detail. We have studied so many plants, that how a plant grow, what you do, right? So plant is one of the natural resource that is very, very important again for everything which is there on this earth, whether it is humans, whether it is animals, whether it is plants. We all need plant. How do you need plant? Now, the clothes which I am wearing this dress. You are wearing your t-shirts. Do you know from where do you get this t-shirt? You get this from plants. You see, plants help in making clothing. Which plant? Cotton plant. Through cotton plant, we make different clothes, right? Through cotton plant, we make different clothes. Now, what about the house that you live in? Your homes. Have you ever thought about that from where and how you make your homes, your houses? Houses are also made from plants, through wood, through trees. You make wood, and from that wood, houses are made. You understand? So wood also helps you in making houses. You have seen in the video where you have of natural resources, the video which I have shown you yesterday. In that video also you will see how you build houses through these natural resources, through plants, through the wooden, through from trees you make wood, and through these woods you make your houses. And what about paper? You know, paper is also made from wood, and again, wood comes from plant. So see how important these plants are in our life. How important these natural resources are in our lives. They help us in living easily in this world. Yes. So you see, houses are made from plants. You need Your clothes comes from cotton plant. What about the food that you eat? Think about the food. From where do you get this food? Yes, you get this food from plants. It comes from plants. The vegetables that you eat, they come from different plants, right? Yes or no? And especially these vegetables, since these are the natural things, so they are very, very healthy for your life. They are the healthy food that you eat. So this plant, another natural resource, is so important. You see, food is needed by human beings. Yes, we humans, we need food to live. What about animals? They need food to live. What about plants? They also need food, right? So there is something common, which is common in human beings as well as in plants, that they need food, and animals as well. They need food. They need sunlight and water. We also need sunlight. We also need water. We also need food. Animals also need food. They also need water. They also need sunlight. Plants also need sunlight, water, and food. So these are all the necessities. These are very, very important things which are needed by all of us, whoever is there on this earth. Yes? Okay, now I'll share a picture, and that picture will help you in understanding the different products that we get from plants. Can you see my screen, class? Now, you can see here plants products, right? We use many things in our daily life that are made from plants. Plants provide many different things for us. Now, what are those things? You can see those are food, wood, lotion, decorations, clothes. All these things comes from plant. You can see the structure of the house, the clothing. You can see this bottle of lotion. You can see the vegetables. You can see the decoration, that is different flowers which you use to decorate your houses, especially the fresh flowers, right? And from where do they come from? Of course, they come from plants, right? You understand? So these are the different things actually that comes from plants, right? Okay. Now, next step is I would like you all to tell me okay, to tell me some of the things that are common in all plants. You know, we have plants everywhere. There are some things which are common, which are same in all the plants. What are those things? Can you name those things? You can say leaves, yes. Stem, yes. What else is common in all plants? Flower, green color. And what else is there which all the plants need? Sunlight and water. Sunlight and water. So these are the things that are there and all which are needed by all the plants, right? Okay. Okay. Now what I want you have understood that these are the things which are needed by all the plants, which is common by all for in all the plants. That is leaf, stem, flower, green color, and need for sunlight and water. Need for sunlight and water. Now, your task for today is I want you to make a list of things that are common in all the plants, right? These things you are going to make, you are going to write it in your notebooks, and you can also draw small pictures, right? So I'm going to write the question here on the whiteboard, and you are going to copy down the question and write the answer yourself, or you can take help from the board as well, okay? Now I'll write the question over here. Okay. There you go. Question is, make a list of things that are common. Quickly write down in all the plants. Now this is the list, the question that you are going to write in your notebook, and the answer is already given there on the board. Okay. Now I'm going to give you, let's say, 8 minutes for this task, and no, 10 minutes. Okay. And your time starts now. All right, time is up. Show me your work. Have you done it? Wow, great job. Very good. You have made the list and you have drawn pictures. Now, those children who haven't drawn the pictures, they can do it at home and you can show it to me in the next class tomorrow. Okay, children? So I hope you have understood about plants, that why do we need plant, why the plants are natural resources, because we have seen the different uses of plants, that how plants are used by all the human beings, by everyone who is there on this earth. You can also check out the video of natural resources, and there also you will find that they have shown us how these natural resources are used, and in this and that they have shown the video of plants as well, and also in rocks. You can take help from that video as well. Okay class, see you, bye bye.